So hey friends, fixing to roll up here on Cooper Lake State Park. Let the fun begin.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So I think several people got here last night. More are coming today. It is only Wednesday. Vicky and I got off work early a little bit today, so we came on out to get some things set up. It's calling for rain this weekend, so we're putting contingency plan B into action. Oh, we haven't come up with that yet, but when we do, I'll let you know. And I know it involves tarps and tents. Hopefully a fire ring. I guess we're supposed to... Hi.
Your reservations?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to park and come inside, we'll get you set up.
All right, we'll
Just
do,
bring your
thanks.
license plate number in.
Alrighty. Checking in. So check-in was easy breezy. Speaking of breezy, it is a little breezy outside. Texas and it's darn fickle weather, I tell you. Last year we had absolutely perfect weather. Well, this year not so much, but like I said, that's okay. We will make the best of it and have fun anyway. Like I said, today is Wednesday. It's supposed to be 80 degrees. And then tomorrow, I think it's supposed to be like 72. Then it's going to start raining, probably about the time the actual event kicks off. And then it's going to rain. And rain and rain and rain. So, yay. We're going to enjoy this beautiful day while we have it. Someone I know is just checking in. Yep. It's going to be a busy weekend. I love it. I wonder who I'm behind. That's not the Dan man. It's Dad!
Honey! Oh my gosh, I miss you guys. I said, they weren't supposed to be here until tomorrow. Oh gosh, so good to see you. Oh my gosh.
Just hanging out right there. Awesome. Thanks for welcoming us.
Hey, Buck.
Check that out. That's so cool. Oh, that's Deb and Dennis.
Oh.
We just met them. Hey.
Slow it down.
Move it. Move it.
Hey, I know you. I know her.
You do? She's popular.
She is very popular.
She was at in New Mexico.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
told her, I said, you
My,
need to come to Lolapalooza.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
so cool.
Yeah, my,
Look who's here. I am so excited. Heat seeker bus.
What are you doing?
Hi, Pierre.
Hi. Just pulled in.
I just saw your bus. I just came down here and I'm like, I know that guy. This looks so much cooler in real life.
That's big.
It is huge.
Yeah.
I love your stickers on the back and your little
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear, yeah.
And Woody's on top too.
Oh, that's great. Well, I'm so glad to see you. I'm so glad you're here.
Cool. Yeah, I'm just putting stuff away because
Yep.
it's falling all over. So.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So where are you?
We're down there in 61, just down this road a little bit.
Okay.
Yep, I just came up to talk to a guy that's going to help me with some tents, and then we're going to get some food and
That's one thing I forgot to do is stop.
stop and get food.
Yeah,
Oh,
so-
no.
Well, I got food, but in a can.
Yeah, yeah.
I need some fresh meat.
Yeah, you do.
Well, I need to
Look what Red Alert Crafts just brought for the RV gal. That's the coolest.
How was that crappie?
Oh my gosh.
Was it good?
And I had some today.
Oh,
the rest
cool.
of it, yeah.
Where's your camp at?
71.
Cool.
Yep, I'm just up the road. How cool is that? You need to
case
take a
I get
picture.
lost?
Check out what he brought me. Check it
I
out.
knew that you're part of the KISS Army.
This guy's creative, isn't he?
I don't blame you on a motorcycle.
Oh, look at that.
I know, I saw this.
Oh, that's so cool. I'm surprised she's not crying.
Yeah. And it's not even Thursday. Tomorrow's going to fill up.
Thank you.
Oh, we used to fork for our perch.
Wait a minute.
We gotta get used to it, so you
Oh, look what he made me.
I don't have
That's so cool. It's 2 frugal RV gals and 2 Sammy Joes. Aw, poor mini Sammy.
Who's who? Who's who?
I cannot tell.
Oh. Who's who?
Well, it looks like 2 frugal RV girls right there.
And
Joe and the Sammy Joe. Oh, look at the Sammy Joe. Oh, Sammy. Baby.
He's like, really? I have to do this? No, come on, let me take you out. Costume number 1 has been done.
yay!
Yay!
2 frugals. I can't tell which is which.
Siamese twins. Oh, go ahead, Dad.
All right.
Go ahead.